Replace ink cartridges in the HP NV Photo 7200 and 7900 all-in-one printer series. If the ink cartridges in your printer are running low or are out of ink, replace them with new, genuine HP ink cartridges. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Open the front door. Lift the cartridge access door. Once the carriage is idle and silent, gently press down on the ink cartridge to disengage it, and then pull the cartridge out of its slot. Remove the new cartridge from the packaging and remove the tape from the cartridge contacts using the pull tab. Caution: do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles on the cartridge. Handling these parts can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Slide the new ink cartridge into its corresponding slot until it snaps into place. Repeat these steps to replace the other ink cartridge, if necessary. When you are finished loading the cartridges, close the cartridge access door. Then close the front door.